An ERP isn't just a database, it's the operating system of your business. But too many organizations treat it like a record-keeping tool. Log transactions, generate invoices, and hope the reports make sense. If your ERP doesn't reflect your business strategy, it will work against you. In this video, we'll break down exactly how to align your ERP directly with your business goals so it becomes a strategic asset and not a sunk cost. Before we dive in, a quick thank you to our sponsors. This video is brought to you by several ERP and business software leaders, including our title sponsor, DELMIAWorks, as well as Epicor, QT9, Genius ERP, and Suitemaster ERP. What a stellar group of platforms. You can learn more about each of them through the links in the description, and stick around to the end for more resources. All right, let's get into it. Here are 5 tips for how to align your ERP with your business goals. Tip number 1, reverse engineer from strategic goals, not system features. Start with the company's top priorities for the year. Maybe reduce costs by 5%, expand into new markets, shorten production lead times, improve on-time delivery rates, or increase margin visibility. Then ask, what ERP processes, reports, and data do we need to support that? Example 1. If the goal is shorter lead times, the ERP must track production bottlenecks, automate work order routing, and alert managers when materials are delayed. Example number 2. If the goal is margin visibility, the ERP should tie operational data, like scrap rates or overtime hours, directly to product level costing. Every workflow, report, and integration should map to a measurable outcome. Otherwise, it's just noise. Tip number 2, define processes to match operations, not departments. Too many ERP setups mirror organizational silos. Finance here, operations there, supply chain somewhere else. The result is broken handoffs and redundant data. Instead, map end-to-end business processes first, like order to cash or procure to pay. Then design ERP workflows that cut across functions. For example, order to cash should link sales orders to production scheduling, to shipping, to invoicing, to AR collection. Procure to pay should connect supplier requisitions to approvals, to receipt of goods, to payment release. By modeling processes around real workflows, your ERP will reflect how the business runs, not just how departments are structured. Tip number 3, standardize definitions across the business. One of the fastest ways ERP projects fail is when inventory, lead time, or cost of goods mean different things to different teams. The fix? Create shared definitions inside the ERP and enforce them with master data management. Here are some examples. On-time delivery equals shipped by promised date on sales order, not requested date. Gross margin equals revenue minus direct materials plus direct labor plus allocated overhead. Inventory turn equals cost of goods sold divided by average inventory, calculated monthly. Bake these definitions into ERP fields, reports, and workflows so operations, finance, and supply chain stop arguing about what's real and start acting on shared truths. Before we move on, a quick shout out to our title sponsor, DELMIAWorks. If you're a repetitive or batch process manufacturer, whether you're make to stock or make to order, DELMIAWorks is designed with you in mind. They're an end-to-end ERP built specifically for SMBs and mid-market manufacturers who need help managing repetitive operations on the shop floor and full operational visibility without bolting together a dozen different systems. And here's the kicker. DELMIAWorks believes in choice. You can deploy on-premise or in the cloud, choose perpetual or subscription licensing, and work with either their direct teams or a robust partner network across North America and worldwide. Thanks to DELMIAWorks for supporting this series. Check them out through the link in the description to see if it's the right fit for your business. Now, back to the tactics. Tip number 4, design ERP workflows to support handoffs. Every business has critical handoffs. Sales to operations, production to logistics, procurement to finance. Many of these break without the right ERP design. Here's how to fix it. Use required fields before advancing a transaction. For example, before releasing a production order, require supplier confirmation and material availability. Use automation to trigger tasks. For example, once goods are received, auto-generate a 3-way match and notify accounts payable. Create handoff dashboards like orders ready for shipment or invoices pending approval, so teams see what's waiting on them. Good ERP workflows ensure customers, suppliers, and internal teams experience continuity, not chaos. Tip number 5, connect ERP to strategic planning and KPIs. If your strategic plans live in PowerPoints and spreadsheets while execution lives in the ERP, you're already misaligned. Instead, bring the two together. Add custom fields like strategic initiative or business goal to projects, orders, or cost centers. Tag production orders that support major customer commitments or market expansions. And run reports like cost savings by strategic initiative or goal progress by division. Now when leadership asks, how are we tracking against initiative X? You don't have to scramble for spreadsheets. You show them in real-time ERP data. There you have it, 5 tips for aligning ERP with your business goals. One more big thank you to the sponsors who made this series possible, including our title sponsor, DELMIAWorks, as well as Epicor, QT9, Genius ERP, and SuiteMaster ERP. Each of these brings unique value depending on your industry and use case, and we've included links in the description. All right, folks, that's it, that's all. See you next time. Cheers.